warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake, until 12:30 a.m. At 10:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 22 nautical miles northwest of McHenry to 15 nautical miles west of Elgin to 57 nautical miles southwest of Joliet, moving northeast at 60 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 65 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near Waukegan Harbor and Winthrop Harbor around 11:05 p.m. 59th Street Marina around 11:50 p.m. Indiana Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Hammond Marina and Jackson Park Harbor around 11:55 p.m. Burns Harbor and Marina Shores at Dune Harbor around 12:05 a.m.